my lovelies, and welcome to another video on my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today, as always. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. As you can probably see, I have got a parcel from NSI Australia, which I'm very, very excited about. And I just thought, instead of just opening it, I thought I would open it and you can see what is going to be in my upcoming videos, because basically anything that I get new is of course super exciting and you will be seeing it very soon. So I thought it would also give you a good opportunity to see how things are packaged with NSI. You know, sometimes you get parcels through the post and they're either damaged, or it's a miracle that they're not damaged because they are so badly packed. So I thought I would just give you a little sneaky peek as to how the parcels arrive. I'm trying to think what I ordered in this parcel. I know I've got some stamping plates coming. I felt it was time to up my stamping plates. I haven't bought new stamping plates for a while, so I decided to get some stamping plates. And I think I've also got some of the rubber-based gel. I really wanted to try that baby pink color, so I've got some of that and a few other bits and pieces. So let's have a peek and see what we've got, if we can get this box open. Right, here we go. So I've got these lots of little protect things. Oh, that's right, I got my nail wipes. These are fantastic, by the way. Actually genuinely lint-free, really great wipes. I think I got 2 boxes of those. Yes, I did. Yeah, fabulous little things. Actually, as I said, genuinely lint-free, which is great. That's probably going to be my base gels. Oh, that's right, I got a new stamper as well. Oh, super exciting. And then just the NSI thank you that you get. So yes, I forgot I got my stamping as well. This is very exciting. I haven't had a new stamper for years, and I saw this one and I just thought it was adorable and I had to give it a try. So all very nicely and neatly wrapped. Okay, so that's a nice little reusable pouch if anyone wants to keep it in that. Oh, and it comes with 2 scrapers. Oh, how gorgeous is that? Can you see that? Oh, that's really cute. And then a slightly smaller one. So this one has got, it's double-ended if my memory serves me correctly. Yeah. So you can unscrew it in the middle, and then you've got your sort of opaque stamper head there, or you've got the clear one here. So take it off in the middle and then you can see. And the reason I like this one, because it did come apart in the center, the barrel bit's going to be quite short. The other ones that I have, the barrel bit's actually quite long, and I thought the shorter it is, then hopefully yeah, the easier it'll be to see through it. So we'll see when we come to stamp. I'm trying to get this on camera because stamping is notoriously difficult to get on camera. Yeah, that actually looks like it's going to be really quite lovely. Lovely and soft, springy, a little bit sticky. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to trying that. And how gorgeous is that? It's like this rose gold with all these crystals in it. It's so, so pretty. Basically, I just couldn't resist it because I thought it was so pretty. I've also got a magnet because I did get some magnetic cat's eye gel polishes, which I'm also really excited to try. These, I don't think I'll take the blue off because I think as soon as I take that protective layer off, it's going to be too glary and you'll be really hard pressed to see the images. Let's see, hopefully that's okay. So this is really pretty. It's got some butterfly images, some lovely little flowers on it. That looks really pretty. I'm going through a bit of a butterfly phase at the moment. I'm just loving butterflies, so I thought that was really, really pretty. This one's got bows. I had Christmas images in my mind when I bought this one because look at all these lovely bows on here. That will be perfect around Christmas time. I might actually have to do Christmas in July nails. Ooh, what do you think about that? That sounds like a pretty cool idea. This one, oh, I like this one as well because this one had all the animal prints on it, which I thought was lovely. It's also got a tiger's image there. So I wanted to give this one a try as well. It's got little cheetah prints and zebra markings and all sorts. Oh, that one you're not going to be able to see, so we'll have to take this out of the packaging. So these ones are Nicole Diaries. I think these ones are born pretty plates. But I'll leave it in the description as to which plates they are. But these ones clearly are Nicole Diary. This one I thought was quite lovely. It's sort of a vintage designs, a bit of script, some flowers on there. I just thought that was really lovely. I thought that would stamp up beautifully. Some little bird images, coffee time, just a really pretty little plate, vintage looking, but just pretty. Because my nails aren't that long, I'm obviously going to have to be quite selective with which part of the image. As you can see, there's no way I could fit that full image, but that's quite nice as well, because it means I'm basically going to get 3 different images per stamping plate, so that's not a bad thing. I just thought that was really pretty. And this is my last one. Oh, this one might actually be, I think this is a bit of a animal print and possibly, what's the word I want? Quartz look. You know, when you get the sort of the, what's the word I want? Marble effect. Marble, that's the word I was looking for. I have pre-weekend brain, clearly. So, yeah, it's that sort of cracked look. I thought that was quite, thought that would look quite pretty, so I was going to give that one a try as well. Quite interesting. So let me know if you have a preference for which one I use first. I have got 5 to choose from, so bit of a dilemma. So if you have a preference or you think one in particular I should use first, do let me know and we will go with that one. Okay, so this is going to be my gel polishes, all very nicely, neatly and firmly packed. So these are all going to be beautiful. Oh, all right, let's have a look. Oh, we might have to do some swatches. So this is Reflective Cat Magnetic Gel. That's my rubber base in clear, because I do go through that whenever I'm doing encapsulating, or if I've just got some glitters or something, I want an extra layer of protection, I use that. I've got another layer of my gel top coat, and oh, this is the opaque baby pink. So this is that rubber base. I've been loving the rubber base. If you watch my channel regularly, you will know that. I'm really enjoying it. And I've got the opaque nude and obviously the clear, so I wanted to try this baby pink as well, because that's just a lovely color if you're doing sort of French, or you just want a subtle hint of color behind your mani, but nothing too bold. Oh, that's really pretty. So you will definitely see this in my next mani. We are soaking off this mani that we've got. So we've got a bit of an experiment going on with a question from Kim. So we're going to soak off, and we will be starting our next mani completely from scratch. So we will most definitely be using this baby pink. I'm very excited to try that. And let's have a look at this. Oh, this is all neatly wrapped. Okay, I need to go and find a tool. Bear with me, I will be right back. Okay, so we are back. We have just one coat of the black. This is Le Chat's Perfect Black in, Black Velvet in their Perfect Match collection. But yes, of course, any black would be fine. But this is one of my favorites. I do really like this black. Okay. Okay, I think we're going to have to use this in our next mani. This is just stunning. Has anyone else tried any of these yet? I haven't actually tried these. I've been eyeing them off for a while. I'm starting to think I should have tried these sooner. This is just lovely. It's a little bit thicker though compared to other gel polishes, probably because of all the pigments and magnetic components and things. I mean, I don't really know a whole lot about it, but I just know that that looks really cool. Oh, that's nice. So yes, I need to have a little bit of a look around and see what sort of designs and things you can do with this magnet, but you can see the shift that it gives it as you move it around. Wow, that's really pretty. I hope it's picking up on camera. That's really quite lovely, actually. Where you put the magnet depends on where it moves around. That's very cool. I'll try and get it on both sides here. Oh, that's really quite lovely. So yes, I am going to, and I think if you don't like it, you could probably just wipe over again to sort of reset that. I'm not particularly putting any product on here. I'm just giving it a bit of a wipe down so that it resets all of that. And then let's start with this one. Reminds me of those gelish ones. Did anyone have those? I can't think of what they were called. Came in a set of like 5 colors, I think. But this, of course, has all the lovely glittery components to it. So that's just really, really pretty. In different light, if in natural sunlight, that would look amazing. Unfortunately, we don't have any today. So, yes, there you go. When I do actually get some sunlight, I will go out and capture that because that's really quite lovely. And yes, and that goes in the lamp to cure. I believe there is 60-second cure. So there we go. That is everything that we got. Oh, not that. In today's haul. So let me know if you have a preference as to what we do next or any thoughts on the next mani. If you have a preference for which stamping plate we should start with. So we've got like the crackled marbly effect with that one. We've got that vintage look with this one. I'm kind of leaning towards that one, but let me know what you think. Animal print. But this one, bows, I'm thinking, yeah, Christmas in July for that one. I think would be really good. And this is just pretty, just flowers and butterflies, and that's really quite lovely. So I will put a link to all of these items in the description box below. And thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you in the next one. Bye.